This is what the BJP has said, hitting out at the Congress party and Udit Raj and others like the DMK who have opposed the Supreme Court verdict, saying that there's a big push to Sabka Sath, Sabka Vikas. However, stop opposing it, they say.
I welcome this decision because when we came in power in 2014, the very first expression which came from the Prime Minister during his speech in the Parliament was that his government is dedicated to the poor of this country and Sabka Sath, Sabka Vikas, giving opportunity to people who are actually capable, who are actually bright, but due to circumstances of poverty they are not unable to compete. So this particular reservation is going to support and help those people who can get left out behind others due to their poverty. So this will bring all of them on board and help lift the society generally.
मोदी जी की सरकार का जो नारा है सबका साथ सबका विकास, इसके लिए ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण था। पर कुछ लोग ने याचिका लगाई, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये निर्णय दिया है और निश्चित रूप से जो मोदी सरकार का या भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार का जो नारा है कि सबका साथ सबका विकास, चाहे आदिवासी वर्ग हो, चाहे अनुसूचित जाति हो, चाहे पिछड़ा हो या सामान्य हो, सबको उचित मौका मिलना चाहिए। और ये जो निर्णय था ये 50% आरक्षण देने का जो संवैधानिक प्रावधान है उसके खिलाफ भी नहीं था, क्योंकि ये केवल सामान्य वर्ग के वीकर सेक्शन को उसी में से 10% था। तो निश्चित रूप से इसके दूरगामी परिणाम मिलेंगे।
भारत के सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज बहुमत से नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार के इस निर्णय की वैधता पर अपनी मोहर लगा दिया। हम इस निर्णय के लिए नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार को धन्यवाद देते हैं और आम आदमी पार्टी ने इस निर्णय के विरोध में सदन का बहिष्कार कर दिया था। अब आरजेडी और आम आदमी पार्टी को, देश की जनता को, ऊंची जाति के गरीबों को इसका जवाब देना पड़ेगा कि इन लोगों ने क्यों इस निर्णय का विरोध किया था।
Well, in fact, let me go across to our legal editor, Harish Nair, who's joining us. Harish, this is, of course, a massive progressive push by the Supreme Court upholding a quota which is not based on one's caste or religion. However, it's faced a lot of objection. DMK says that, legally speaking, they may challenge it. What are the options open to them?
Yes, that's right, Meghna. A big vindication for the Modi government, as the 10% EWS quota has got the seal of approval of the Supreme Court. And coming to a question, several opposition leaders who had already been questioning this quota had said that this is almost like a split verdict, because out of the 5 judges, two in fact that includes the Chief Justice Lalit and also another judge, senior judge Ravindra Bhatt, who had declared it unconstitutional. So their hope in fact is born out of the fact that it's not a 5:0 judgment but a 3:2 judgment. So there is a glimmer of hope for them, for those who can file a review petition. Definitely there is a legal option, like this is a petition. In fact, Supreme Court was hearing 40 petitions. These were writ petitions, and definitely they have a legal recourse like filing a review. So their hope is born out from the fact that it's a 3:2 judgment, but nevertheless it's a majority judgment. 3 out of the 5 judges have declared that the 10% EWS quota is constitutional, and in fact has given a seal of approval to the EWS quota. So they, in fact, Supreme Court had very, very importantly said that there is nothing wrong in carving out a quota for the poor among the general category, and also upheld the argument that though the 1992 Indira Sawhney judgment, that is the Mandal Commission judgment, had said that had fixed the 50% ceiling on reservation, a separate quota for the poor among the general category is very much acceptable, and this is an affirmative action on the part of Parliament into the benefit of the general.
A lot of reactions are coming in back to back as well. Let's get our viewers some of those.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के निर्णय के साथ जो संविधान को मानने वाले लोग हैं वो सब उनको मानने को तैयार हैं।
I'll tell you very frankly, this is a majority verdict but with a split angle, 3:2. I think the government of the day at the center, should go for immediate caste-based census, and after that census data is available, I think reservation or representation should be according to the share in the population.
Case stand from the beginning is clear on EWS. There's scholarship for all sect of people, MBCs, BC, DCs or anybody, there is scholarship. So the income criteria doesn't apply as far as EWS is concerned. The state is at the discretion. So our stand is clear that we will not implement EWS, and we proved it. Till such time AIDMK was in power, EWS was not implemented in Tamil Nadu. We never played petty politics or cheap politics or vote bank politics on this EWS issue. Having understood the limitations and discretions, it's up to the state government to implement it. I think DMK needs to learn from us how things have to take shape and how it can be done.